Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another ELEMIS unboxing. Today's video is almost like a part 2 of my ELEMIS unboxing that I shared a couple of weeks ago before I went to Malta. I did say at the time that I was going to buy something else from ELEMIS because I had my Patricia code that I still wanted to use, and there are some other bits that I didn't pick up that I'd seen after that I wanted to get. So I did end up getting those things, and I do have my ELEMIS box here with me. It actually arrived on the day that I left for Malta, so it's almost like I really wanted to take some of this stuff to Malta with me, but I just ordered it too late and then it arrived on the day that I was leaving. So yeah, that is going to be today's video. Also, if you see me touching my hair, I really love this hair. I did say a couple of videos back that I'm going to have a video on this hair. That video is coming soon. I haven't filmed it yet. I'm still just like obsessed with the hair. It's really nice. I'm also going to have a link to the hair down below in the description. This is a wig from a company called My First Wig. This style, if I remember correctly, is the Dominique style. She's a YouTuber that I really randomly discovered her a few months ago, and I've had my eye on this wig for the longest time. I actually bought this wig like when did I buy this wig? So I bought this wig in November and I didn't open it until February when I was going to Malta, because I was like, I want to do something different for my holiday. So yes, that's this hair. I'm not going to talk too much about this hair because I'm going to have a video on this hair soon. But yeah, I love this hair. It's so natural. This is in a relaxed style, so it's like a relaxed texture with a blow dry in it, which I think is more natural and suits me a lot better. I really love this hair. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about this hair anymore because this isn't a hair video, this is an ELEMIS video. But I absolutely love this hair. It's so cute. Yeah, anyway, onto the actual video. Let's get unboxing. I really love this because I don't have any scissors, so it's good that I can just turn this open. Okay, I actually forgot what I bought. No, I remember one thing that I bought. Let's see what else I got from ELEMIS. This is just the regular packaging. So I showed you last time what the complimentary gift box packaging looks like. This is just your old regular schmegular cardboard recycled packaging. So it's a box like this, and it's got the tissue paper and a cute ELEMIS sticker on there. Take that off. Very excited. So I've got some just tissue paper as standard, and then I've got the things that I bought nestled inside. So let's just dive in. I didn't get that much stuff, so this video really shouldn't be too long. So the first thing that I got was the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing facial pads. These are part of their dynamic resurfacing range. If you've watched previous videos, then you know that I already have their day cream, which I really love. I want to really start using like the full system to get the most benefits from all of the products. That's why I got these facial pads. I've actually had my eye on these facial pads for at least like two and a half years. I'd say like 2.5 years I've had my eyes on these facial pads. They've been on my wish list for the longest time, so I'm very happy that I finally got them. A couple of years ago I was using the Nip and Fab glycolic acid pads, which I really liked them, but I didn't feel like they were doing that much for my face. I didn't see that much of a difference in my face, so I'm hoping that these pads will have a difference. I think because I've been seeing a difference with the face cream, that's why I'm a bit more optimistic about these facial pads. Next I got the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. This is a travel sized face mask. I really wanted to try it because it is part of the dynamic resurfacing range. Also, to use my code, my Patricia Bright code, I had to spend like, I think it was like £40 or something, maybe £50, but anyway, so I bought this to make up so that I could use the code to get the money off. And I thought, you know, I do want to use, like I just said, I do want to use the full dynamic resurfacing range, and so why not just like try this out. It's a face mask. I love my face masks. You guys know I love my face masks, so yeah, I'm very looking forward to trying this. I'm really looking forward to trying this. Yeah, I'm very excited about this one. And then finally, this was the free gift that I got with my order. I got the ELEMIS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. Interesting. I'm looking forward to trying this as well, just because face masks, I feel like face masks are a really great and easy way just to get instant benefits to your skin. Like you almost see the results straight away, whereas I feel like with like moisturizers and serums, you do get like results almost instantaneously, I guess, but you really have to wait like a month, sometimes even 3 months before you see the results. With a face mask, it's quite potent, so you really just see the results quite quickly. So I am looking forward to trying this face mask. That is literally the end of my unboxing. This is a very short unboxing. What did I get? Oh, and then I also got one of these. I got another one of these for me, for you friend things. So if you want to get £15 off £50 at ELEMIS, I will have my code down below, because I feel like I've spent a lot of money recently. I spent a lot of money on skincare at ELEMIS, so I won't be buying anything more, but I've got a code which came with this thing that you can use below if you want to try out anything from ELEMIS. So that is all from me. I hope you liked today's unboxing. Remember, I do have my videos from Malta for you to go and check out if you haven't already checked them out. Please make sure you watch them, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Make sure you check out my blog, byalicexo.com, my Instagram account, DAP_byalicexo, and in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.